Hi, and welcome to another episode of My Piso Matters, brought to you by InvestingMadeEasyPh and the Roma Meklat Podcast. So kami ay nagbabalik for another and brand new episode.
Hi everyone! I hope you're having a great year, and I'm hopeful that this will be a better year for everybody.
Tama ka dyan. Tamang-tama yan. We should start with a positive mind and positive vibes. That is why nandito tayo to give them tips. This time on this episode, ano-ano ba? Kasi syempre, di ba sis, pinush natin sila last year na, alam niyo guys, talagang kailangan nyo ng insurance, hindi budol to. Talagang investment to for your future, blah, blah, blah. So those who are planning to get their insurance this time, so ngayon, gusto kong tanungin sa'yo, bilang financial advisor kasi, ano ba yung mga dapat tinitignan ng tao or as clients or as consumers, ano ba yung mga dapat nilang tignan if they want to get an insurance?
Okay, so first, congratulations because you have decided to get an insurance.
Yay!
Oh yeah, diba? Finally, adulting,
yes,
diba?
Yes.
So yun, I listed down 3 na i-watch out nyo kapag kukuha kayo ng insurance. So one, i-consider ninyo syempre is yung kind of coverage ng kukunin ninyo. Kasi syempre, what's the reason why we are getting insurance? We're getting protection, diba? For yourself. Mm-hmm. So I would really suggest that you get something na merong living benefit. Siyempre, gusto natin, kapag nagbabayad tayo ng insurance, kumuha tayo ng insurance, we want something na habang buhay tayo, napapakinabangan natin. Kasi medyo parang, ang hirap naman na nag-iipon tayo, naguhulog tayo ng insurance, and then, when the time comes na kailangan natin siya, for example, we get critically ill, or we get disabled, hindi natin magamit yung insurance, diba? So, yung mga bagay na yun yung mga tinatawag natin na mga living benefit. So, I would really suggest that when you get an insurance, get something that has critical illness and disability rider para at least ikaw mismo, buhay ka pa, napapakinabangan mo na yung insurance na kinuha mo.
Kasi I think before, yung mga tito-tita pa natin, even our parents, diba? Mm-hmm. The reason why they are very skeptical when it comes to getting insurance, kasi feeling nila, hindi nila mapapakinabangan. Kumbaga pag na-dance na sila, it's for the family. Kumbaga sila hindi nila mismo makukuha yung benefits ng binabayaran nila. And yun yung difference ng insurance ngayon, ha? At least you get your parang habang buhay ka pa, napapagamot mo yung sarili mo, di ba? Na kahit paano, yun nga lang, again, the hope is not to use your insurance. It's for backup plan mo to, diba? Guys, again, hindi sinusulit ang insurance.
Yes, safety net nyo po ito. Hindi ito yung tipo, pagkakuha nyo ng insurance, sana magkasakit ako, sana madensda ako. Hindi po ganun yun, ha? It's something na aayawan mong gamitin, aayawan mong maklaim. Pero just in case, you get critically ill, at least magagamit mo. Or just in case, yun nga, madeds ka, at least may iwanan ka. So, yun. So, kaya rin sinasabi natin na even single people, we encourage them to get insurance. Kasi before, ang sinasabi ng mga single, sasabihin nila na, ay, wala naman akong papamanahan, so I don't need an insurance. Mm-hmm. Pero ngayon, kasi meron ng mga living benefit. So, kahit single ka, kahit wala kang papamanahan, get yourself insurance para at least, yun nga, sinabi natin kanina, magamit mo kapag kailangan mo. Sige, yung next is, how long would you want to be covered? Kasi meron naman, syempre, di ba, different folks, different strokes. Mm-hmm. Syempre, hindi naman lahat afford talagang kumuha ng insurance na hanggang age 100 ka, di ba? So, yung iba, kumukuha lang ng murang insurance, yung sinasabi natin, yung mga term insurance, na up to a certain time lang nila gustong ma-cover. For example, hapit na hapit talaga kami. Hindi ko talaga afford kumuha ng medyo may presyong insurance. So, pero nagpapaaral ako ng anak ko ngayon. So, in the next 15 years, kailangan gusto ko mapatapos ko yung anak ko. So, get yourself insured for the next 15 years. Diba? Para at least, yung critical time sa buhay mo na dapat, na may dependent ka, insured ka. So, may mga gano'n naman. Meron namang iba na, gusto ko hanggang age 70 years old ako, covered ako. When I get critically ill, may panggastos ako. Gusto ko hanggang age, Kasi guys, alam nyo ba na ngayon, humahaba na yung mortality rate ng mga tao. Sa isang na-attended kong seminar, no, sinabi nga doon that if you're affluent and then you are below 40 years old, there's a high chance that you can live up to age 100. So, advantageous din sa mga tao ngayon kung halimbawa hanggang age 100 yung coverage mo. Anyway, wala rin namang tapon yun kasi just in case na age 100 na at doon ka nga kinuha ni Lord, may mapapamana ka sa mga may iwan mo. So, you have to determine kung how long would you want to be covered.
Thank you, sis. And gusto rin nating i-remind everyone, I think this was asked before dun sa FAQ natin. If you wanna go and check that episode of My Piece Matters, it's part of our past episodes na feature namin yung mga tanong ng aming mga followers and we answered them one by one kasama to. And naaalala ko sinabi mo doon explicitly na syempre habang buhay kayo, gusto nyo insured kayo because again, we don't know what's gonna happen in the future. So hanggat siguro kaya nyo magbayad at i-insure yung buhay nyo while you are, habang nabubuhay kayo, you should it should be part of the budget, di ba?
Yes, because really, insurance is a necessity. It's just that para kasing dahil nga nababanggit natin na medyo hindi saver ang kultura ng mga Pilipino, nagiging optional ang
At saka
insurance.
parang sort of privilege siya.
Oo, pang mayaman lang yan. But no, we need it, diba?
Tama.
So, safety net kasi natin yun. Oo, madagdag ko lang sis, bakit ba tayo nag-iipon? Diba? Why do we save? Kasi sinasabi natin for emergency. So, same thing with insurance. It's something that we don't want to use, pero just in case, meron tayo. Ito yung tinatawag natin na life vest. Diba? Pag pumunta kayo ng Boracay, nag-snorkeling kayo, bakit kailangan ninyo ng life vest? Diba? Why do you need that? Hindi naman kayo sasakay dun sa bangka at sasabihin yung lulubog to, diba? Hindi naman, diba? So, syempre, lagi kayo nandun sa safe ito, kaya ako sasakay dito. Pero just in case something happens, I have a life vest. So same thing with insurance. Yun po yung purpose ng insurance.
Yeah, so guys, kahit G na G kayo, as in gipit na gipit, that's the reason why your FA is there for you to find where to get kung saan kayo makakasave and so that you can place it in your insurance or di ba sobrang hard sell na neto pero kung talagang G na G kayo kahit parang there's a way.
Oo. If there's a will.
Oo, if there's a will kasi kahit di ba nga na-mention din natin on that episode sis kahit yung parang yearly lang for kung talagang kasi gusto mo lang ma-secure ka lang may peace of mind ka may peace of mind yung wife mo husband or family mo kahit yung yearly na yung pinakamababa talaga.
Oo, parang 600 lang yun.
Yes, imagine mo that's for a month and you're covered how much na for the entire year.
For the entire year, covered with 100,000. Kasi guys, nagko-commute tayo, diba? So, lumalabas tayo and you'll never know what's gonna happen sa'yo the moment you get out of your house. So, yun parang kapag talagang walang pera, meron pong 600 lang, covered ka na ng 100,000.
Yeah, kung G na G. Ngayon, kapag naka-LL ka ng konti, nakaluwag-luwag, yun, dagdagan mo
upgrade mo.
Yes, i-upgrade mo yung policy mo. Or maybe you can check other policies din na pwedeng fit na talaga for you. Pag lalo na kung medyo nag-earn ka na ng mas maayos, mas regular, di ba? Yes. So yun. But of course, what's the bottom line of this discussion? Protect yourself because you're your biggest asset, diba?
Correct.
Go na tayo sa point number 3, madam.
Point number 3 is, how long would you want to pay? Yan, kasi merong mga tao na sige, bata pa ako, may mga ganun maganda nga yung mga bata ngayon. Malakas na ang loob nila to invest in insurance. They know the importance of insurance. So, yung iba, parang pagka-graduate pa lang at age of 21, kumukuha na ng insurance. But then, they want something na gusto ko po, after 5 years, tapos na ako. Kasi by then, baka magka-family na ako. So, ayoko na ng maraming hinuhulugan. So, ikaw din, alamin mo kung ano bang gusto mo. Gusto mo ba ng 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, 15 years to pay? Or gusto mo ba ng coverage na mababa lang yung huhulugan ko, pero it will take longer years to pay. Ganon, you have to decide on that. And then one last thing is, I remember, we also have to add this, the affordability of the insurance that you're gonna get.
Ay, gusto ko yan. I think it's very important kasi minsan dyan nagbaback out ang mga tao. Kapag okay na, set na, okay na, go na ako, tapos biglang nakita yung presyo, ay, next time na lang ulit, parang gano'n.
Oo. Kasi sometimes, diba, halimbawa, naliwanagan tayo na ito pala yung coverage na gusto ko. So, parang sasabihin mo sa FA mo, okay, I would like to get that. Syempre, lahat ng binigay mo sa akin, gusto ko ganyan ang coverage ko. But then, syempre, you have to look din kung ano ba yung comfortable sa'yo. Yung medyo masakit, may kurot, kasi syempre, you have to pay, diba? It's a premium, diba? Pero syempre, dapat yung kakayanin mong panindigan. Kasi it's a long-term commitment eh. Hindi dapat ang treatment natin sa insurance na parang, ay, may option ako not to pay this month, or may option ako to pay. Yung ganon, hindi. So, dapat the moment that you sign up for it, dapat panindigan mo. Yun, dapat mabayaran mo siya, ma-maintain mo. So, dapat it's something that you're comfortable and you know that in 5-10 years from now, kakayanin mo siyang bayaran. Kasi sayang. Yun yung naririnig natin na, ay, naghulog ako, 3 years ako naghulog and yet nag-lapse. Diba? Kasi possible na it's too expensive for you or diba, yung mga ganon. So, dapat it's something na you're really willing to commit.
At gaya nga ng sinasabi natin, it sounds funny, pero para siyang love, diba? Pinaglalaban din yan, guys.
Yes.
So, dahil siya ay form of commitment. And of course, kung darating sa point na medyo nagkakaproblema ka, kung medyo you have to change a little, maybe liliitan mo ng konti. Don't give up on it agad. Talk to your financial advisor and tell them na for example, Therese, I think I need to adjust my monthly blah blah blah. And then, so that you can work things out para not totally give up. Katulad nun, 3 years mo nang binayaran tapos biglang iiwan mo. Sayang naman yung 36, tama ba? 36 months of paying your premium, diba?
Yeah. Guys, ito, please talk to your financial advisors. And alam mo ba, sis, ito Siyempre, last year, diba, nagkaroon ng COVID. Ako, I'm just really proud of my company, which is ProLife UK. Kasi very lenient sila. Nagkaroon sila ng, diba, may Bayanihan Act. Merong 60-day grace period. And at the same time, inallow nila yung mga na-lapse na parang mag-reinstate lang.
Yeah.
So, syempre, meron din mga parameters, no? Pero marami yung mga na-reinstate. Kasi may mga clients din na nagsabi talaga na hindi ko po kayang bayaran. Ako, personally, meron akong client na nagsabi na I can't pay muna kasi we don't have work, diba? Pero, what we did was, nag-letter kami sa ProLife and sinabi namin, in the next 6 months, pwede bang stop payment muna? It's a good thing because she got yung variable unit link. So, meron siyang fund value. So, hindi agad-agad nag-lapse yung policy niya. But she was given 6 months na wag muna siyang magbayad. So, guys, wag po kayong mahiya at matakot makipag-usap sa mga financial advisors ninyo. They were there when you were getting the insurance. So, they should still be there when you need them sa mga bagay na ganito.
Yes, and yun talaga yung main role ng FA nyo, na siya yung mag-a-assist sa inyo. Tapos, kumbaga, if you have questions, kasi again, guys, pera nyo yan eh.
Yes,
Invest nyo yan para sa sarili nyo. And sometimes, all you have to do is ask. Na parang, uy, may ganun pala. O, diba? Kung hindi ka nagtanong, hindi nyo alam. At kung hindi kayo nanonood nito, edi hindi nyo nalaman yun. Kaya manood na kayo ng past episodes namin. Yes. So, yon. Thank you, Therese, for this wonderful session with you today. And I hope na mas marami pang maging fruitful episodes tayo.
Conversations with you.
Yes, this 2021. At gusto nating i-remind ang ating mga listeners and subscribers, if you want to know more about if you want to understand more about insurance, meron tayong playlist for that. Kung paano nag-work ang insurance at ang importansya ng insurance, hinimay-himay namin ni Mr. Reese lahat doon. What is insurance? The terms that you have to understand, how insurance works, diba? So,
Frequently
yun.
asked questions.
Yes,
mga
frequently
ganon.
asked questions.
Kung nahihiya kayong magtanong, panoorin nyo na lang po yun.
Yes. But of course, if you have other questions na maybe hindi natin na-cover, please feel free to send us a message through our Facebook page, Investing Made Easy PH, or pwede rin dun sa comment section sa YouTube, di ba?
Yes.
Yes.
And send us your suggestions, the topics that you would want us to discuss.
See, segue ko na lang. Pwede ba mag-promote sa iyong sa iyong
Sure.
show?
Yes.
Kasi I have a new show, I have a new podcast show, and I would like to invite everyone to please follow and subscribe That Broke Pinay podcast. And I had Mr. Islat on my first episode. Pinag-usapan namin ang alamat ng savings.
Yes, ng alkansya.
Oo, alamat ng alkansya. So, ayun, I hope you guys can follow and subscribe, and sana matuto kayo. Marami kayong matutunan, and magiging regular guest ko doon si Mr. Reese. Alam niyo naman, we love Investing Made Easy PH, and we love having conversations with Mr. Reese. I hope you support my podcast show, and of course yun, pinakabago kong baby. So
Yes.
and thank you Therese for for your support. Sobrang I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you also for having me as one of your first guests.
Yes.
I really wish you well on this That Broke Pinay podcast. Yun guys, so if you want to learn more about insurance, go to Investing Made Easy PH. If you want something that is real life stories, go to That Broke Pinay podcast.
Kasi para yan sa lahat ng Pilipino na hindi umaamin na gastador sila. So.
Yes, yung mga bagay-bagay na talaga namang nangyayari, pero ayaw lang pag-usapan. And yun, marami po kayong matututunan. It's very funny. You'll enjoy listening to it.
All right. Thank you, sis. So once again, this is My Piece of Matters, and I'm your host, Rama.
And this is Therese from Investing Made Easy PH.
Until our next episode. Bye!